Right. We are going to be talking about rounding decimals. To help you rounding decimals, you need to make sure that you know your place value chart. This is a quick picture right here to show you. If you want, Miss McMahon has copies of this place value chart. Just come and ask for one and I will give it to you because it might be helpful if you have it in front of you to work through these problems we're going to be doing. I am going to work straight off of this rounding practice power test that y'all took on your playlist last week, and we're going to go through each one to make sure that we understand how to round decimals. So if you don't have those decimal place values memorized, make sure you have a whiteboard in front of you, and then if you want, you can ask Miss McMahon for a paper copy of the decimal place value chart, and that'll help you a lot. Number one, when rounded to the nearest tenth, which number will round to 74.3. So that means that I have to test each one. So let's take a look at the first one. I want to round to the nearest tenth. Here's the 10th place value. I find my place, look next door. Is it 5 or greater? Yeah. So I add one more. All digits in front stay the same. That 3 turned into a 4. All digits behind, zero's their name. So that did not round to 74.3, so I'll slash it. Let's try the next one. I have 74.246. I want to know when rounded to the nearest tenth. Find your place, look next door. Is it 5 or greater? So I don't add one more. All digits in front stay the same, so that's all digits in front of this line. All digits behind that line, zero's their name. So that one didn't round to 74.3 either. Let's try the next one. 74.371. Find your place, look next door. Whoa, that was horrible. Look next door. 5 or greater? Yeah, add one more. All digits in front stay the same. All digits behind, zero's their name. That one didn't round to 74.3 either. Let's really hope that the last one does. Last one is 74.263. Find your place, look next door. 5 or greater? Yeah, add one more. All digits in front stay the same. All digits behind, zero's their name. So D was your correct answer. It's the only one that rounds to 74.3. Phew, that's a lot of work. All right, I want you to try to solve number 2 on your own. So pause the video. Number 2 says choose all the numbers that round to 79. So you're going to be rounded to the nearest whole number. So for example, on that first one, when you want to find your place, you're going to be rounded to the nearest whole, which is right there. So try to round all of these to the nearest whole. Pause the video and work on your whiteboard now. All right, if you're unpausing the video, you at least have some work on your whiteboard. I'm going to go through some of these. Let's look at this first one. I'm rounding to the nearest whole number. Find your place. Look next door. Is it 5 or greater? Nope, so I don't add one more. All digits in front stay the same. All digits behind, zero's their name. So this one does round to 79. The next ones that do round to 79, this one, because that 9 turns that 8 into a 9. This one, because that 1 keeps it the same. And that's it. Let's look at number 3. Maria spent $72.89 at the grocery store. What is $72.89 rounded to the nearest whole number? 72.89. If you're looking at a place value chart in front of you, when it's asking you to round to the whole number, you're going to be looking at the ones place. So find your place, look next door. Is it 5 or greater? Yeah, so I add one more. All digits in front stay the same. All digits behind, zero's their name. And I already know that 73.00 is the same as regular 73. And then we're skipping that. Aha, number 5, you are going to try to solve on your own. It says 4 students rounded their original number, which is right here. Oh, man. Original number to the place value shown in the chart. So they all rounded to different place values. So you have to check each of them. Which student correctly rounded? So only one of them rounded correctly. I'm going to check Kara. You guys are going to check the rest of them. Let's see. Kara, her original number, she tried to round to the 10th place. So find your place. Look next door. That 7 is 5 or greater, so I add one more. All digits in front stay the same, 23.9. But she said it was 23.8, so Kara was wrong. Pause the video now and try to solve Trevor, Carrie, and Adam to see which student correctly rounded. Pause the video now and do some work on your board. All right, if you're clicking play, you at least tried to solve these bottom 3. Trevor, hundredths place. Look next door. That 8 turns the 2 to a 3, so Trevor is not correct. Carrie tried to round to the whole number, which is right here. That 1 makes the 9 stay the same, so Carrie is wrong. Adam wants to go to the hundredths place. Looks next door. The 9 turns the 7 into an 8, 64.38, 64.38. Adam rounded correctly. All right, last one. Try to solve number 6 on your own. It says, what is that number rounded to the nearest hundredth? All right, if you're playing the video, that's because you tried to solve this on your own. Let's check your work. We have 5.785. Find your place. Look next door. Is it 5 or greater? Yeah. So I add one more. All digits in front stay the same. All digits behind, zero's their name. 5.79, 5.79. All right, so now that you've watched the entire video, I do want you to go onto that Google form and test yourself. If you need to watch it again, that's okay. Good job, guys. You are done.